Alright, what's up? I mean, we have another video. Right, Alan?
Yeah.
Nah, but today, well, I ordered more parts finally for my fucking car. And today we're going to install 25mm spacers and, what is it? The paddle shifter extensions. So yeah.
I haven't seen this shit yet.
And one thing I gotta tell you guys is I made a video of the Raxium switchback LEDs, but the thing is, like, the video got corrupted, so I wasn't able to upload it. So this is my little review of it. Those are the LEDs right there. These are the turn signals. Yeah, it's Raxium switchback LEDs, right, Alan? Yeah. And what else I did? What else I did was I put on the fucking covers, the light covers for the car. As you can see, it only covers part of them. So yeah. I was gonna make another. Well, I did make another video of it, but for some reason the file got corrupted, and a bunch of technical difficulties and shit. So yeah, I mean, don't worry about it. We have another video right now, and we're gonna get started on installing the spacers. Right, Alan?
Yeah.
All right, bro.
Just
Don't
showing
jack
the
off too
shit.
hard.
Literally just finished. Fucking like 5 minutes probably.
I'm just like fingering the fuck out of these so I can like stay on. Cause I'm gonna tell you guys right now. I actually read a review about this online also, but what happens is when you shift, you can shift, like, look at my fingers. You can shift like from up here, like from up here. But when you go higher, like, you can't shift from here. They're extensions, but I mean, it's something, honestly. It also extends down here where you can shift down here.
It looks cool too. It looks way better.
Yeah, it looks really nice. Like, I like how it complements the silver and everything.
Yeah.
So yeah, for those of you that have Mustangs and you want to get, some little accents for your car or whatever, I'd recommend a silver.
Just a good startup. You have to put this shit in the garage. Hopefully there's fucking room. There should be. You're good. Keep going, bitch. Turn it this way. No, fucker, the other way. This way. Okay, yeah. Okay, come straight, straight. And... Alright, you're cool.
How the fuck am I gonna get out, Alan?
George was able to put one spacer in. We'll record through the process, but he already got one in. Pretty simple. He got him done in not even 3 minutes.
Yeah, one thing I'd recommend is you use a torque wrench when you
Yeah.
actually do this shit, especially because your wheels are moving parts. So
Safety first, kids. But yeah, when he gets to the other side, we'll show you. This time he doesn't need to grind them down, mainly because
hold on, I gotta say something important actually. Well,
Oh.
actually, you go ahead and say it if you want. Okay.
he doesn't have to grind them down because the back of his wheel has these divots already, so he should be good.
Those come in
But,
stock Mustangs.
We'll put them on, or put the wheels on just to be sure that it's flat with the spacer itself. But yeah, we'll get back to you guys when we get to the other side.
I don't think we have this in the vlog yet. Look at it's Siege. Baby
Yeah.
Charlie.
Oh yeah, that's my baby.
We had a little setback. Not really a setback. I mean, one of his lug nuts were stripped, so it kind of was a pain in the ass to get off. But we got it. So, yeah, it's like
Hold on, tissue.
it is all warped and everything, and it would not let us get on or get the socket on it. So, but anyways, he's about to install the other spacer. Do you have it with you, or George?
Right here.
He's about to install the other spacer, so we're gonna walk you through the process.
They're actually they're metal donuts.
Huh?
They're metal donuts.
Yeah, we're gonna put metal donuts on here.
Yeah, I got them from Krispy Kreme. This one, I like the bolts on the spacers. I'd recommend around 100.
Yeah.
100. What is it? What are the units?
100 pound-feet.
100 pounds per foot, and Ford, I think, Ford speculation or whatever, like on your actual wheels, it's 150 pounds per foot.
Oh, sorry about the lighting. I came kind of late, so it's dark. Obviously, we have like 3 lights. We got that light, got a fucking lantern over here, and I got a flashlight. We're getting it though. It's fairly simple. Makes the car look a hell of a lot better. Like, it looks cleaner for sure.
You ever showed him the front yet?
Yeah, I'm gonna show them when all of it's in so we can do a walk around.
Springs.
Oh yeah, he installed springs. We have that on recorded already, huh?
I don't think we made a video of it though.
Oh. Well, yeah, he has lowering springs. What brand?
They are SR, I believe.
SR lowering springs. So after you guys see the fitment and you guys like it, you guys know
My
what to put
car
on.
is lowered an inch, and if you separate, well, if you put 25mm spacers on the car, it will fit. I mean, the front definitely does fit. And I do have not a lot of room, but I do have a significant gap that, like, when you step on bumps or whatever, like, it won't chew up your fender right here.
Yeah, so yeah, if you guys like the fitment, you guys know what to get. SR lowering springs and 25mm spacers. And your fitment should be good because the front looks really good.
I mean, I heard some guy even lowered his car an inch and a half, and the spacers still fit pretty fine.
What's up, foo?
Doing that gay shit, good.
Whoa.
About the music, huh?
But yeah, so he's
I
tightening
fucking
it up.
love this thing, dude. This torque
It's
wrench.
tight, huh?
Hell yeah. I think I might just steal it from my dad.
So this yours?
No.
So this yours?
Probably.
Why not?
But at this point, we're probably just gonna fast forward it just so you guys see, because obviously he's just tightening bolts. You guys, there's nothing really too special. We're gonna get the wheel on right now.
I mean, I was about to fuck the car right now.
There you go.
You know, a good way to find some great stimulation is stick your penis between the disc and the actual brake pad, and just, you know, run your car as fast as possible and then smash the brakes
Yeah,
and turn that shit into fucking sloppy joes.
there you go.
I fight the world, I fight you, I fight myself. I fight giants, tell me how many burdens left. I fight pain that quick kings to death wept. I'm trying to fight back tears, but no one knows steps. I ain't forgiving him, puddles of blood in the street. Shooters on top of the building, they ain't relief. Earthquake, the body drop.
George getting hard at work right here. He's getting it here.
That's right, bitch.
Damn! Look at them arms, boy.
You want me to fuck you already, Charlie? There's my pito right here.
I don't know if I ever said this, but George here is the one that edits the videos. So props to him.
Who the fuck is George? Thank you. Yeah, I edited the videos.
But yeah, he edits the videos. He's getting better every video. The last video he edited was really funny, but the thing is
It got fucking corrupted.
yeah, the file got corrupted, so I don't know how that's gonna go. But it was a good vlog. It was funny.
Unfortunately, I'm not gonna post the install of my what is it called?
Lights.
My lights. Yeah,
And we
I
did
think
some
I tried to
donuts.
explain the lights, but I don't think I did a very good job at it.
Yeah, and like in the video I was doing donuts and everything. It was
fucking
cool.
School parking lot.
Yeah, it was sick, but you know. So yeah, he edits all the videos. He's good at it, getting better. I just wanted to give him props for that because he takes the time out of his day to do that shit. But yeah,
He usually like edits them like right away.
yeah.
Like when we finish filming, he comes over to the house, we get the SD card, and he edits it that night.
And he tries to get it out that night, but you know sometimes I don't.
But as you can see on the side, the wheel sticks out a little bit. You know, if you actually choose that look. If you go back further though, you can see the wheels actually look wider. Gives it a meaner look, you know, without actually getting bigger rims. So yeah, there's that.
Guys, so yeah, I traded it in for the 15 SS. I was thinking about getting a 6th gen and everything, but it was still kind of pricey, and I don't know, I just feel like the 5th gen is a more aggressive look. So when I first got it, it was like super stock. Like I had those 20-inch, those alloy wheels and all that, and I ended up buying some Ferrata rims, wrapping the hood black. Yesterday I just put the Z28 with the wicker bill, so it looks pretty aggressive right there. So I mean, yeah, it's pretty. I mean, there's more to come, but just not yet because everything's pretty expensive. Because I don't want to do everything the cheap way, and because you know, race car.
On the bright side, we'll have more content eventually.
Yeah, eventually. Like I was gonna record the wicker bill and like the spoiler installation, but I was just too excited to do it, but yeah, it's pretty cool. Like it's more downforce because you know twin turbo supercharged engine.
You can also adjust it too, right?
Yeah, yeah, it's pretty cool, dude. It's worth it. It gives it a whole new look to the car. So that's pretty much it. I'm probably gonna end up doing like side rockers next. Probably I don't know if I'm gonna do a Z28 like front splitter or the 1LE front splitter. So it really just depends. And then I think I'm gonna like do the red halo lights and if anyone knows where to get like these like fog lights, like I want like the clear like color like that matches the halos. Then yeah, the LEDs or whatever, that'll be perfect. But I just don't know where to get them exactly because I've
them in the comments.
yeah, like if you guys know, like put them in the comments because I don't really know where to get them from. And I've seen like decent ones, but I guess like they only last like a couple months, and you know I want something pretty good. I don't mind paying, but it's just I'd rather get quality instead of buying some cheap shit. Just fuck that. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll probably because I still have warranty because I was thinking about supercharging it or twin turboing it, but not right now because I still have warranty and I don't want to avoid that because that's like really good and you know
It's a warranty.
it's a warranty. Yeah, exactly. But well, yeah, that's pretty much it. It's pretty cool.
So we were spending probably 30 minutes looking for the camera, and then Charlie was like, "Did you put it on the charger?" And I was just like, I looked over and it's over there beeping red. I'm like, "Oh shit!"
You motherfucker.
We were like looking in the fucking hood. Charlie was like, "Open the hood, maybe it's in there."
Open the fucking hood.
You're a dumb.
It just like
How am I the dumbass when you're the one that put it on the charger?
it just sunk through the hood, Charlie?
No, because
Is that what it did?
I saw it opening in the back.